Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Xero. Today we are going to learn about how to delete an item using the Xero API in the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the base URL, authorization token, zero tenant ID, item code to be related. So here we require the item ID. Okay, so let's go and check the item ID. The previous we have a test product, right? Let's take the item ID of this one, copy this item ID and paste it. Okay, item ID code to be deleted, dot exist dot delete base URL items item code to be deleted. Okay, authorization token, zero int ID, application JSON. If goes well, then it goes to the console.log item deleted, else it will go to the catch block that failed to delete. As I have checked previous one that it's coming up with like this item code, item ID, you will get it from here. Okay, this is your item ID, right? So you need to add it over here. Okay, this is the item ID which I have pasted, right? And previously I get the fail to delete an item, the resource you're looking cannot be found. Let's try this one, item deleted. Let's go and check. We have deleted this one. Which ID is this one? Which ID we have pasted? This is 3063, right? Let's check 3063. This is test 564. This is test product. It should be deleted. This product should be deleted. Let's reload this. And you can see only one product is left, right? So this is how you can delete any item, product or services in your Xero via REST API Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.